So let's start the drawing of the placket with 2 centimeter only. So before I decided to be centimeter of the placket, I have to figure out if my small button is enough on the 2 centimeter like that. It's enough. So if big button, you decided to put big button, you have to widen the centimeter. So the half of the blouse is this mark of the pencil I made. You have to get the middle of the blouse so that it will be balanced. It's on the middle, right? So I decided that the length of the placket is 7.5 inches, inclusive of the no cutting, folding the small cloth there. 7.5. There you go. There, 7.5. And then I'm going to measure I'm going to draw first this one. It's okay to mark a pencil there because it will be cut later. It will not show. So this is the wrong side of the blouse that I'm doing the drawing of the pencil of the placket, so it will not be dirty. Then after I draw the straight going down, I'm going to go to the middle of the blouse. I have to measure the 1 cm on the left and 1 cm on the right side, so it will be balanced. There you go. I'll show you. This one is 1 cm, this 1 cm. I decided to have 2 centimeter, so you have to divide. Then 1 cm as well for the allowance for stitching, hiding the edge. So draw the actual 1 cm on the left and 1 cm on the right. It's that dark. So like that. And draw the line of the allowance as well. The pencil is not so dark on drawing the line. So be careful because you cannot redo this if you are wrong, right? So this is the middle, this is the middle, and this is the actual 2 centimeter, and this one, the both sides are the allowances. So I will cut this. So I have to put first, by the way, 1 inch of hiding the fold. There. And 1 inch again at the top of that, the cloth that you will put each side. So this one is 1 cm, 1 cm. So I have to check 2 centimeter. I have to make sure that I'm cutting the correct, because it's not dark. So there, I saw it. So I have to cut. So you see this one, for the newcomer, they didn't see my video before. This one, they have to 1 inch, 1 inch here. This one will not be cut. This one is for folding. So I will cut from the top to here, up to there, to the stop line, not to cut. This one is to cut, to fold it. So I have to stop there. So you see this one, I stopped there to the 1 inch below. This one is for hiding this one. This one is to cut here. And that one will be like that, right? So the next video is cutting the fabric for this blanket. So 2 centimeter for the actual blanket, you double it, it is 4. So plus 1 centimeter both sides, so it will be, so it 2, 3, 4. So it will be 8, because the cloth is double for each blanket. Okay, 2 centimeter for the actual blanket, and then 1 cm allowance, 1 cm allowance for hiding the stitches. So 4 centimeters plus double it, so it is 8 centimeters for each blanket. So I have to do 2 blankets. Each of them is 8 centimeters. Next video on Monday, I will show you that, because I'm doing my ebook, so I have to twice a week only. So